warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Fitria Amalia Putri. You can call me Fitri. I'm a student at the Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University, majoring in chemistry at the Faculty of Science and Technology. In this video, I will explain environmental chemistry in the third and fourth videos about our Earth is one. Save water. Our Earth is one. The water we enjoy now is heritage water, namely the same water drunk since the time of the prophet and since the dinosaurs. Therefore, it is this water that we will also pass on to our children and grandchildren. So we have to think that water quality from generation to generation may decline. This is a shared responsibility. Therefore, wastewater treatment is a must. If not done, it will be a disaster. There are many examples in Indonesia, because there is very little awareness of how to care for this water heritage. In this video, we discuss water from household water and not industrial. The upheaval that previously occurred was because air was pumped into the water. Pumping air into the water was not simple, because it would change the organic and inorganic components. Inorganic ones can form dioxide. Organic matter with aeration can be decomposed by microbes. And the example, water that had just entered becomes heavy because it is pumped with air and then processed and filtered to remove solid objects so as not to interfere with the piping process. Then the uniformization process is carried out and the equalization tank is almost the same. There is a balanced composition at it and the volume is also balanced so that the treatment carried out can be uniform. Then continue to be continuously aerated so that it is used when it contact with the given microbes, because the amount of pollution can be reduced if added with microbes. We do not use chemical here because microbes are more natural, cheaper, and do not require higher energy and produce harmful residues. But the use of the microbes also requires the condition that the microbes cannot survive if the waste is too concentrated and heavy. Usually microbes will decompose inorganic only because microbes like inorganic compounds. And the next, in this clarifier, it is used to settle the mud. Then the sediment is taken and dried so that it does not rot. The dried material is possible will become compost which contains high numbers of microbes. After the addition of microbes to the deposition, then dried and given a disinfectant, the provision of disinfectant should not be started because the microbes can die. And the fourth video is the speaking about wastewater treatment. On average, what is said to be waste is polluted water. Polluted water should not be discharged into the environment, but must be processed first. Wastewater treatment process. In the first process in the wastewater treatment is at this stage the water enters the treatment process. The treatment is not mixed because the character waste composition is different, namely domestic and industrial wastewater. In the second process is filtering. Filter waste so that there are no problems in the piping. In the third process is equalization. Accommodate excess waste, sometimes combined with a uniform pool. The next process in wastewater treatment is cooling. Cooling is just let it cool. And the process in the next wastewater treatment is biological aeration. Biological aeration is that microbes are decomposed. And the next process is clarifier, namely the purification process. Separate between the sediment and the water. The residual sludge in this process can be used again in the biological aeration process. Next, in the next process in wastewater treatment is deposition. And deposition will be deposit between the sediment and the water. Aeration is contacting waste liquid with oxygen so that it is easy to decompose, easy to degrade, which utilize sunlight, which from inorganic compounds decomposed by microbes, but inorganic ones also undergo precipitation, simplification, addition of nutrients for the maintenance of bacteria. In the next process in wastewater treatment is sand filter. In the sand filter, the replacement of the poor ion is then tied to the sand. In the sand filter, there is an absorption event. In the next process is lagoon or control. In lagoon or control is a large pond with tilapia in it. This pond is an indicator that if the tilapia is still good and not dead, then water can be developed in the environment. And the last process in the wastewater treatment is water matter. In the water matter is water enriched water. It is suitable to be disposed of or not.
This is one example of wastewater treatment plant in Karawang, West Java, Indonesia. This is the process inlet with cap 7,500 meter 3 or deep. This process in here is pumped. This water is a mixture, fat, oil, and grease trap and grease camber.
That is my video. Thank you. I hope my video can be useful and increase your knowledge. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.